Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Well, guys, I am back home. And on the way home yesterday, guys, I stopped by Love's Truck Stop. I'll show you what I bought there. And I also found a place right outside of Phoenix City, Alabama. I went by it and they were taking stuff in the store. They had the door open and I turned around and I come back and I went in there and looking for knives. And they had a few, and I'll show you what I bought in there. But it's just gonna be a quick video, guys. Main reason is I just uploaded 14 more knives. I had 20 picked out, but the other 6 had little issues. I don't want to put them out there yet. I might have to work on them. But there's 14 more knives out there, so we got 43 knives and 1 Zippo that's out there in the auction on Whatnot tonight. And again, this auction will be going to the to help pay for the venue for the knife show here in Ellaville on November 16th. We're gonna have the first ever Ellaville knife show, so I hope to see y'all there. It's gonna be a great time, guys. We got a lot of YouTube channels coming in. We got a bunch of folks coming in, guys, and I'm gonna be selling, don't forget, the exclusive knife. It's a 4-inch Barlow sheepfoot knife made by Bear & Son, exclusive. Here it is right here. It's a beautiful knife. I'll have those for sale inside there at the concession stand. The Antique Queen and my son will be selling those knives at the concession stand inside the building. So it's getting close, guys. It's getting close. We got 5 weeks and I think 5 days before the Ellaville knife show. Cannot wait. Well, guys, I have decided to go ahead and include an Ellaville knife show knife. It's the Bear & Son sheepfoot blade 4-inch Barlow with stack handles. That knife will be included in tonight's auction, only one of them. So get your chances tonight to if you're not coming, you have your chance here to get one. So one of them knife show knives is going to be included in tonight's auction, guys. I can't wait to see y'all there tonight live on Whatnot. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Guys, I'm here at Love's Truck Stop, one of my favorite places to stop when I'm traveling. Great place to stop. Anyway, look what I found at Love's Truck Stop. How about that now? I love that hat right now. I like the camouflage hat anyway, and on top of that, it is a Richardson hat. One of my favorite brand to wear now. I love these hats, but ain't that a good looking hat, guys? It was on sale. I got it on sale. It was regular $39. It was on sale in there for $29, so I couldn't resist it. But yes, sir, Love's Truck Stop. But I'm about to get back on the road, and I will be talking to y'all very soon. Okay, guys, I don't know what this is, but we're over here in Phoenix City, Alabama, about 2 miles west of there. There's a place called Accents New and Used. We buy, sell, and trade. Hey, y'all. Hey, buddy, y'all got any knives or anything? Some pocket knives? Yeah. Okay, all right, man. Come to the right place then. I didn't even know y'all were here.
There's a few up there.
Okay, buddy. Barlow. Look at that one right there. I'd see some of them. Let's see. Hey, can I see a few of them? Oh, I see these right here too. Can I see a few of these, buddy? I want to see the Barlow right here and them two. What you wanting for them? These two right here and that one right there. There you go. Let's see.
These are going to be 10 each.
10 each?
Yeah.
I'll look at them. Gold blade. It looks like a Colonial. A Colonial, USA. Carolina. It's a solid knife right there. Would you do 8 on this one, buddy?
No, they're usually 15, 20 bucks. I just said 10 for the heck of it.
All right, well, I'll take this one for 10. You got any Zippos or anything? I'm sorry, man. You got any of the challenge coins too, like the military challenge coins, by chance? Yeah, I didn't know you were over here, buddy. I always go hunting for knives. There's the other 3.
I'm gonna look this up. This is supposed to be
Here's a 10, buddy.
10.97.
Okay, all right, hang on. Yeah, bro.
David, you got $2?
No.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
All right, buddy. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
Can I see it?
Yeah, they go for 50 to 100.
I'm gonna pass, buddy. I appreciate it.
Okay.
I'm gonna browse. Y'all open today?
No, sir.
Oh, you're not?
You're fine, though.
Okay, I'm gonna shop around if you don't mind. Real quick. Yeah. That's a Colonial. I can look at it and tell. Yes, sir. What you want for this one?
I tell you what, give me $15 and that'll cover tax on both of them.
15.
Yeah, that's tax included. We'll pay tax on it.
I understand. Okay, buddy, I'm gonna pass on these, buddy. That's a good knife, though, the Colonial one. I appreciate it, man.
Okay.
We'll stop back by.
Okay.
You would thank you, man. Is Accents New and Used LLC, buy, sell, trade. Pretty cool. Yeah, so another little spot. He had that other Colonial. It was a solid knife, but I felt like that $15 was a little too much for it. One of the blades was wanting to grab, but I think if I'd have cleaned it up, it would sit on in there. I think it was just the rust stopping it from going on down. But next stop, guys, is Ellaville, Georgia. Home. I can't wait to get there. I'm probably about an hour away. So we'll talk to you then. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Don't forget, guys, the Whatnot auction will be tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And again, the proceeds will be going to help pay for the venue. And whatever's left over, we're going to be buying knives to give away and raffle off for Tunnels of Towers. And I'm going to give y'all an update on Tunnels of Towers of how much we sent in and the total of how much we sent for the year. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. Till we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.
Drive through towns, the whispers start, hey. Flea markets calling a treasure hunt today, hey, hey. With Antique Queen by his side, they search, they barter, take the ride. He's the knife doctor on a steel crusade, trucking with his lady in the deals they jade. Down the lane where rust meets fate, he sees a spark and the forgotten ain't too late. A diamond in the rough, they say, till the knife doctor puffs the years away. Through the aisles and past the stands, his keen eye sweeps over the merchant's lands, picks up a blade, its story untold. Edges dull, but the handle's gold. He squints his eyes, sees past the grime. Each knife he saves like stopping time. In every town, a tale of Jim. The hunt is on, no need to pretend.
Y'all got any knives or anything? Some pocket knives?